In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy, sell, convert, and earn with Binance Lite. If you're new to the world of cryptocurrency, or simply looking for a more streamlined way to manage your digital assets, Binance Lite is designed with simplicity in mind. Our journey starts with opening the Binance app and switching to Lite mode. You can do this by heading over to your profile settings. Lite mode offers a cleaner interface, ideal for beginners or anyone who wants to conduct quick transactions without the complexity of the more advanced features found in the Pro version. Once you are in Lite mode, you'll notice a central button on your screen. This is your gateway to buying, selling, or converting cryptocurrencies. Simply tap on this button and you'll be presented with a straightforward menu to choose your desired action. Let's start with buying cryptocurrency. First, select the specific crypto you're interested in purchasing. Once you've made your choice, enter the amount you'd like to buy. Binance Lite offers various payment methods, so select the one that suits you best. It could be a bank transfer or using a credit card, among other options. After you've set this up, review your details and hit confirm. Your purchase will be processed and you will soon see your newly acquired crypto in your portfolio. Next, let's move on to selling. The process is just as intuitive. Begin by selecting the cryptocurrency you want to sell. Enter the amount you wish to offload and then choose where you'd like to receive the funds. This could be transferred to your linked bank account or perhaps even a different platform. Once all is set, confirm the transaction and you're done. The simplicity of Binance Lite ensures that selling crypto is as hassle-free as buying it. The third core function of Binance Lite is conversion. If you're looking to switch one cryptocurrency for another, just initiate a conversion. Choose the two cryptos you want to exchange. For instance, if you want to convert Bitcoin to Ethereum, select Bitcoin as the cryptocurrency you have and Ethereum as the cryptocurrency you want. Confirm the conversion and your transaction will be executed in moments. Now let's explore how you can make your crypto work for you. By tapping on the Discover tab and then the Earn option, you'll access a range of savings or staking products. Binance Lite offers simple savings plans and staking options that can help you earn interest or rewards on your idle crypto assets. Review the available options and choose the one that aligns with your financial goals. With Binance Lite, managing your crypto becomes an easy and rewarding experience. So whether you're buying, selling, converting, or looking to earn, this user-friendly platform has got you covered. That's it for today. Happy investing.